Hello everyone, I am Samriddhi Kulkarni. Today we are going to learn an interesting concept in Java, that is event delegation model. In this video, we will cover mainly two concepts related to this: definition and event processing. But before going to the direct delegation event model, we should know the basic concept related to event, that is what is event and how event occur and what is event handling. So let's start with the basic. So first, what is an event? The simple definition of event is when a user wants to push a button to perform some actions. When he clicks a button and something changes happen after clicking a button, that clicking button is called as event. In simple word, any changes happen in system by user is known as an event. Now, what is event handling is? So, there is a mechanism that allows program to control events and define what should happen when an event occurs, known as an event handling. Means user will click a button and after clicking a button, color of screen will change. That change in color of screen is known as event handling and clicking a button by user is known as event. Now let's see the main concept. This is the most important part of its process, that is, how events should be handled, and Java uses the event delegation model to handle event. Now let's see the event delegation model definition. The delegation event model is defined as it handles event in GUI programming language. We know the GUI, graphical user interface. This diagram shows us how all events get handled. Now, we have event source. What are the event source are? Event source are those through which event get occur, like button, mouse, keyboard. Now, when event occur, change in state is stored in an event object. After that, event source has its own registration method. With the help of those registration method, listener object can get registered to the event source. This is because when the event occur, only those listeners can handle the event which are already registered to the particular event source. Also, event source invoke only those registered listeners at the time of event handling. Remember, event source can have multiple listener objects and listener object can register to the multiple event source. Now there is the interesting and important part of delegation model. Now we know the use of interface. Interface have abstract methods and the object listener gives the implementation of those abstract methods. It gives implementation as the demand of event handling. Means when event get occur through the event source, it invokes listener object, but meanwhile the state in change of that event source is stored in event object. After the listener object is get invoked, it gives the implementation of listener interface which has abstract methods. This is how all event handling is happen. And as I said, two main components in event delegation model. First is source, nothing but the event source, and second one are the listeners. Now, previous as I said, event source has its own registration method, and all listener objects should register first to the event source, and only then event source can invoke such event objects. So, to handle events, the source must register with the listeners. This is what the listener registration methods: add type listener. If we have key event, add key listener, and same with add action listener. Now, this is Java delegation model. Handle the event with the help of listener class and listener interface. But Java provide variety of classes and corresponding interface as shown in the screen. It has event classes and listener interface too. Example, action event has action listener, adjustment event has adjustment listener, component event has component listener, focus event has focus listener. Not just that, Java provided many more event class and listener interface for handling any type of events. Hope you understand the concept and liked my video. Thank you.